Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I will tell you what documents are needed to check the source of funds in Revolut. If you receive income from the sale of real estate or inheritance. What to the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. Signed letter from the solicitor. Copy of contract of sale. Tax declaration. Real estate title deed showing the transfer from the previous owner to the new owner, the amount and the data. Signed letter from the estate agent. Grant of probate with a copy of the will, including the value of the estate. And bank statement showing the receipt of the funds and current account balance. In the case of inheritance, both of the last two documents must be provided. And that's it. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.